You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. It is indeed a little bit confusing because there are two quite different pronunciations in English for this word, because British and American English pronunciations are similar. So let's get through. UK British pronunciation is as rebuttal, to. The stress is on the b syllable, rebuttal. Rebuttal, okay? Did you get this? Alright. Now, American English pronunciation is quite different. Pronounced in the US as rebuttal. Not rebuttal. Rebuttal. Rebuttal, American English versus rebuttal, British English. Let's learn how to pronounce this word. It is indeed a little bit confusing because there are two quite different pronunciations in English for this word, because British and American English pronunciations are similar. So let's get through. UK British pronunciation is as rebuttal, to. The stress is on the b syllable, rebuttal. Rebuttal, okay? Did you get this? Alright. Now, American English pronunciation is quite different. Pronounced in the US as rebuttal. Not rebuttal. Rebuttal. Rebuttal, American English versus rebuttal, British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.